So on this cabinet, we're going to install the knob on the drawer, and it's very similar to the door. We've taken a straight edge and gotten a line from corner to corner and corner to corner, and where they intersect is the center of your drawer. Then you take the screw that comes with the knob and you figure out using the gauge which size screw you need, and we're going to use a 7/32, so it's just bigger than the threads. We install that in the drill, then drill your hole. Now we take that screw through the back side, install it, and then use that to install on your knob.